What does it look like? Oh, are those your cup mixing cups?
Yeah. I think that's what it is. But I think this slime is supposed to be so big. So I think we should.
Okay,
we're supposed to put stuff in here. Well, stuff in
Well,
here is put in here.
That's the thing is that you want to make it just a little bit.
No, I don't make it big.
Or do you want to make all of it?
You want to
I
make?
make all of it.
Okay, that's why I get the big bowl.
Let's mix.
I'll let you just have experiments. You can do experiments. See if it's open.
No, I can do it.
Okay. You do it for us. Oh, it's already open, so just. Okay. Go for it.
Oh. Looks like it's gonna be pretty putty.
So we can hear Willow singing in the background. Singing some Mercy.
Someone please help me.
Very nice asking.
I'm happy, but it's pretty blue, isn't it?
Yeah. I think this is for to mix it up. What's this for?
That's what it looks like to me.
Mix it up.
I think so.
It said no mix.
And you needed no ingredients. You gotta be able to stir it a little bit, huh? And then use your hand.
Oh, the stars make it super shiny.
Yeah.
That's what it does. When you're close to the sun, it'll make it super shiny and you finish it.
I think that one was called Galaxy Slime.
We got a galaxy slime.
Cool.
Alright, I'm just doing this so they don't the top line. I can get the. I'm trying to get the glue to the bottom of it for us.
Hit it on the table. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. That's good.
Alright, now let's see if I can get some more out.
I think.
And you can squeeze harder than me. Okay, you squeeze.
I think that's all it.
Okay, let me see if I can get in more then.
Let me see.
Mike, let go of it.
I think that's all it.
Okay.
Let me try one more time to get one more big squeeze.
Mike. Okay.
These.
There, that's all it. Alright.
Ah! Is that shiny
Number 2.
metallic? Ugh.
Alright, I think I gotta put a little bit of activator in there for us and start stirring it a little bit at a time.
I think we should put this.
The glitter first. Okay. You can put the glitter first, whatever you want to do. Put the glitter first, actually, because it doesn't mix good once you put activator in.
Yeah, don't take the lid off the activator. I'll unloose it for you.
No.
Oh, then if you got to put the glitter first or it won't work. Remember how? Okay. 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 Okay.
I
Okay.
can do it that way.
Okay.
Alright, so squirt a little bit of activator. Until I get the lid loosened. Just squirt a little bit in there. How much do you think you need?
Let.
Okay. I'm trying to let go. He has my hands inside this grip. There you go. Alright, now start
So
stirring.
activator got me.
Alright.
That it can mix it up.
Okay.
You need me to get some scissors?
Yeah. Oh, we mix it up. It's turning into putty. We didn't. We need some more activator.
Then squirt some more in there.
Not too much.
You can always add more if you think you need more.
There's Daddy's got the.
And then put sprinkles in there? Or cut it open
No.
so you can do the sprinkles.
After the activator gets on,
Okay.
I think I need to mix it up on
Your hands, probably so.
You want to throw up your sleeves?
Oh my gosh.
It's okay. It's okay.
Roll. And you please throw up my sleeves.
Thank you for talking nicely.
I can hear that. Ooh.
Okay. Can I stop filming?
Okay. Gross.
That's what always
You
is.
gotta mix it.
More activator.
Have you tried to mix it at all?
Try mixing with your hands, see, and then if you want more activator, I'll add some more.
More activator, please.
Okay, a little more. Alright, so start mixing it with your hands to see if it starts coming together. So it's coming together pretty good for us. Gotta keep stirring it.